Tired of staring at boring green backgrounds? Let's unlock the magic of compositing in Premiere Pro. First, import your green screen footage into your Premiere Pro project and drag it onto your timeline. Next, locate the Effects panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. It's usually found under Video Effects, Keying. Drag and drop the Ultra Key effect directly onto your green screen clip. Now, with your clip selected, go to the Effect Controls panel to access the Ultra Key settings. The magic happens under the Keying Output dropdown. Change the keying output from Composite to Alpha Channel. You should now see your subject appearing in full color against a black background, while the green screen turns white. Use the Key Color Eyedropper tool to carefully select the green screen. Click on a clean area of the green screen for the best results. Instantly, the green screen should start to disappear. If there's any residual green tint, don't worry. Under Matte Generation, you can fine-tune the cleanliness of your matte. Adjust the Clip Black and Clip White sliders to eliminate any remaining green or white specks. For a sharper edge, experiment with the edge thin setting. A small adjustment can make a big difference. Once your matte looks good, switch the keying output back to Composite. Now, place your desired background footage or image on a track below your green screen clip. And there you have it. Your subject is now perfectly composited onto a brand new background, creating a seamless and professional look. With the Ultra Key effect, the possibilities are endless, so go ahead and experiment to create truly stunning visuals.